Hello everyone, welcome to this complete Python tutorial from basic to advanced. Whether you are just getting started with Python or you are looking to strengthen your foundations, you are in the right place. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to become confident with Python programming. So let's jump right in. Here is a quick overview of what we will be learning. First, we will understand what Python is, a little bit about its history, the features that make it such a popular language today, and where Python is used, from web development to artificial intelligence, and everything in between. Next, we will set up Python on your system. I will show you how to download Python, install it properly, and verify if everything is working fine. I will also recommend installing an IDE, which makes coding way easier, but that's optional if you prefer working with simple text editors. After setup, we dive into variables. We will talk about what variables are, how to name them correctly, assigning values, and the concept of dynamic typing in Python. And of course, I will share some best practices that professional Python developers follow. Then comes data types, one of the key building blocks. We will explore basic data types like numbers and booleans, collection types like strings, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, and also discuss type conversion and the difference between mutable and immutable types. Writing good code isn't just about functionality. It's about readability too. We will cover comments, how to write single line, multi-line and doc strings in Python, and best practices to keep your code clean and easy to understand. Operators are like the tools of the trade. We will learn different types of operators, understand precedence and associativity, and even explore operator overloading, which makes Python very powerful and flexible. Next, we will move into conditional statements, the core of decision making in Python. We will explore if, elif, else, nested conditionals, and also how to use logical operators within conditions. After conditions come loops, perfect for when you need to repeat tasks. We will look at for loops, while loops, and how to control loops using break, continue, and pass statements. I will also introduce you to list comprehensions, a powerful Python feature that makes your code shorter and cleaner. Then we move towards functions, writing reusable blocks of code. We will learn how to define and call functions, use parameters, return values, work with arguments and keyword arguments, and also see some amazing one-liners like lambda, map, reduce, and filter. Then we will see scope in Python. Understanding scope is very important for writing bug-free code. We will talk about local, enclosing, global, and built-in scopes, following the LEGB rule and the use of global and non-local keywords. Then comes exceptional handling. In real world projects, things can go wrong, and that's okay if you know how to handle errors. We will learn about try except blocks, the finally clause, and how to raise your own exceptions when needed. Then we will discover generators, a smart way to work with sequences in Python. I will explain what generators are, how the yield keyword works, and why generators are more memory efficient compared to regular functions. Then we will see decorators. Python decorators are a bit advanced but super useful. We will explore function decorators, chaining decorators, and nesting them to extend the functionality of your functions without modifying their core structure. Finally, we will cover object-oriented programming in Python, talking about objects, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. If you want to build real-world applications, OOPS is something you definitely have to master. That's a quick overview of everything we are going to cover. If you are excited to learn Python from scratch and build solid programming skills, make sure to stick around.